colorful babes. Yeah, that's right. We are in 2021, the year where everybody says things are supposed to get better. We'll see, but I have my vision boards. I'm ready. I'm super excited. As you saw, we're doing a Kim Possible look today. I figured we'd start 2021 off with something really fun that pretty much everyone loves. So we're gonna do Kim Possible. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you care, because we are on the road to what? 1K. Yep. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we're just do your foundation like you normally would, but we are going to not get rid of our eyebrows this time, but we're going to color them a different color. So the easiest way to do this is to take your concealer, put it on top of your eyebrow, and then go into your makeup palette, grab the shadows you want the colors of your eyebrow to be, a darker color on right here, lighter color right here, blend it in the middle, and then clean it up with an eyebrow brush and some concealer. So that's what we're gonna do. For this look, I just use natural concealer because Kim's eyes are very natural. So let's get started on the eyes. Okay, so for the eyes, we're gonna keep it simple because Kim has really natural eyes. First, I'm gonna take this dark brown in my Cosplay palette, and I'm just gonna put that kind of like above my crease right underneath my brow bone. Then I'm gonna go into my Lollipop palette and take an even darker brown and do it in my outer corner and crease. For our lid space, we're gonna keep it really simple. I have this Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadow. I'm not a huge fan of liquid eyeshadow, but this one is super, super pretty, so we're gonna use it. Gonna go into my Lollipop palette, take a shimmery neutral, and I'm gonna put it on top. Don't forget to bring that brown underneath your eyes or you're gonna look crazy. And then we're going to put, you know, highlighter in the inner corner. So because life is terribly unfair, my Colourpop eyeliner pen ran out. So I had to buy some Wet n Wild to hurry up and get this look done for you guys temporarily as we wait for my Colourpop eyeliner to come in the mail. We're gonna do it this way. Now I have hooded eyes, so doing eyeliner with a pen like this is not easy. But for my non-hooded sisters, I'm jealous. So I don't know if you know, but if you have hooded eyes, you have to do your eyeliner like a bat wing. Okay, now that our eyeliner is done, you guys know what we do with cartoon characters. We put white on our waterline. Gonna put on our great lash. Now it's time to contour. Gonna grab our bronzer. I'm gonna give myself a really deep contour because I feel like Kim Possible makeup is always done with like super high cheekbones. And I have high cheekbones, but not super high cheekbones. For her blush, I'm going to be using my Milani blush palette, and I'm going to be using this middle rosy one and this neutral one. Kim Possible doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so I don't want to give her too much blush because this is just, let's keep it simple. I'm fighting my urge to give her too much blush because I understand that Kim Possible wouldn't wear that much blush. So I'm just going to mix the colors together. Highlighter all over our face. For our lips, I'm going to prep them with Burt's Bees. I'm going to do my top lip with Screamer. I'm going to go into my Sugary Cosmetics palette, find this reddish brown, and I'm going to set that lip color in place. We're going to take Bikini Bottom and put it on the bottom. Alright, all that's left is lashes, wig, and costume. I will be back. There you have it. Kim Possible. Hey, I think I look amazing. Wait, I think I'm missing somebody. Give me 1 second. There you are, Rufus. Haha. What's the stitch? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Me and Rufus had so much fun bringing this Kim Possible look to life for you. If you want to see some fun TikToks, make sure you follow me on TikTok. I am doing a challenge this year, which is 24 cosplays in 12 months. That's 2 full cosplays a month. And I started a Patreon and a Kofi. If anybody wants to donate, donating will get you free tutorials, free prints, stickers. There's a lot of goodies involved in donating, trust me. So you do not want to miss that. Just wanted to let you guys know the link will be in the description. There's even possible shout outs on my YouTube channel, so definitely check that out. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video, because on Thursday I will be showing you how I plan 30 days of Instagram content so I can post every single day. You do not want to miss this, especially if you're a cosplayer trying to figure out how to post more often. Well, Wade says I have to go, so I'll see you later. Bye!